Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video will be covering the history of the sport of soccer. According to the International Football Association, also known as FIFA, more than 240 million people around the world play soccer regularly. The game has evolved from the sport of kicking a rudimentary animal hide ball around into the World Cup sport it is today. Records trace the history of soccer back more than 2,000 years ago to ancient China, where it was called Cuju. Greece, Rome, and parts of Central America also claim to have started the sport, but it was England that transitioned soccer into the game that we know today. In fact, the English are credited with creating the first uniform rules of the sport, including forbidding tipping opponents and touching the ball with hands. As the sport developed, more rules were implemented and more historical landmarks were set. For example, the penalty kick was introduced in 1891. Red and yellow cards were introduced during the 1970 World Cup finals. More recent major changes include goalkeepers being banned from handing deliberate passes back in 1992 and tackles from behind becoming red card penalties in 1998. Here are a few more fascinating factoids about the sport. The 1950 World Cup final between Brazil and Uruguay holds the record for the soccer game with the highest attendance of all time. Uruguay completed a 2-goal comeback to stun a packed and rowdy crowd of 210,000 people. The current world record for a player who has scored the most goals in a single game is held by Archie Thompson, who scored 13 goals against American Samoa in Australia's 31-0 victory during the 2002 FIFA World Cup qualification. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the new series, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye.